Hello folks, in this video I will show you how to use Google Keep extension. So first of all, let's install the extension. Go on Google Chrome extension, go on it. Now type on the search bar Keep, click on Google Keep Chrome extension, click on Add to Chrome, click on Add extension. Now as you can see, the extension is installed. Now go on this puzzle icon right over here on top right corner, as you can see. Click on it and pin this extension, Google Keep Chrome extension. It is not activated right over here. So let's go on any website, for example Google Chrome extension. Go on any random website. So let's try this. Right click on save selection to keep. Now I can make notes easily with this extension. Just right click with your mouse and select the desired text and click on save selection to keep. So that's it for the video.